Not very long ago on our channel, we featured this very cool little RC four-wheel drive brushless vehicle. You loved it, we loved it. A lot of you wanted to see a speed test on it, so that's what we're gonna do today. I said it deserved one because it was really quick. Now, I'm not saying it's gonna set any records, but this thing is under $85, and it's held that even after our first video. I'm really surprised. I think a lot of you guys should pick one up. This is not like a review. We've already bashed it and we know we like it. So I'm gonna encourage you to pick one up. There's just a lot going on right now, and a lot of people are having limitations on where they can go and what they can do. But RC is a really nice hobby that can get you outdoors. And for the price, this is a really good RC that'll get you outside and have a little bit of fun and keep you outside. Just encourage you to keep busy, and it really does keep my mind off of things. So let's power this on and see how fast it goes.
Ooh, I forgot it has lights.
Yeah, so this one comes with lights that you have to install. It's very easy. You just plug a wire in, and then I poked these through the bumper where they're supposed to go. A little dab of hot glue behind it to hold them in place. Also the rear fin, the spoiler, that comes off of it as well. And it just takes a couple screws to hold that on. It comes with a wheelie bar too, but we chose not to put that on. So.
Meter is on, set to 0. It claims 45 kilometers an hour, which is about 28 miles an hour.
Right.
Whoa.
Ooh, okay, a little bit fast, I forgot.
Oh, there's lots of puddles today.
We're gonna avoid those puddles.
Yeah, right.
Here we go, full throttle. Now I'm not expecting to set any records. Brushless power, baby. Still don't think I can get wheelies out of this if I wanted to. Let's do a full throttle blast here. Yeah, see, the wheelie bar just feels like unnecessary. I'm getting 36 kilometers an hour.
Well, that's on 45, and that's probably not even 20 miles an hour.
Maybe right around 20 miles an hour.
For a 16th scale, though.
This thing is still a blast,
yeah.
And it's really fast for its size. That's the main thing.
It's a lot of fun on the wet pavement.
Yeah, I like this. It's very punchy, but the tires, see, the tires are just a little bit harder than what I'd like because you get a lot of sliding rather than a lot of grip. And especially when they get wet, they just slide everywhere. But this is still fun, even just in an open paved area. And I want to encourage you guys, speaking of open paved area, please continue, no matter what your beliefs are in this entire thing with the virus going on right now, continue to practice social distancing, wash your hands. It can only help. It can't hurt anything except just missing the people in your lives. We're already missing the people that are in our lives too. It's just really important that we all unite and act as one. This is, remember, it's not just whatever state you're in watching. If you're in the United States, it's not just the UK or whatever. This is a worldwide event. We, all that are living right now, anyone that is alive has never gone through anything like this before. Not saying sicknesses, illnesses, viruses and things, but we have never seen Walt Disney World shut down, colleges, schools closing, all uniting, stores closing. Economically, globally, we've never seen anything like this. So just unite, do your part, wash your hands.
Encourage others and try to stay positive to other people, especially since social media is like our constant form of communication.
So negative.
Leave positive comments to people, encourage people. It's a rough time, it's a scary time because we've never lived through this. So just be positive, encourage others.
We're trying.
And remember, we're all in this together.
I do highly recommend this RC. It's a solid choice, and this is just a quick little follow-up with it to give you guys the speed test. It is significantly slower than what they advertise. Even if I turn, no, there's no higher rates on here or anything. There's a bunch of steering trim, but that's all. I still like it a lot. This actually, when we pulled up and checked the price, it was under $80, but we're still gonna stick to under $85. That seems to be the constant price for this. Worth every penny. Get something RC going, whether it's a mini whoop and you're flying inside. If you have a small yard space you can fly and get some fresh air, do that. RC is an amazing hobby. Abby and I just want to thank God for giving us the day and the time to be here, to play with this RC and to get outside in this very open space and some fresh air. It feels wonderful. We couldn't do our channel without our Patreon supporters. So before we go, I just want to say a huge thanks to these names that are scrolling by right now. Some of our top tier patrons. We also want to thank all of our patrons that are in our description box too. Before you click away completely, we've got another video, probably the bashing video of this that we'd like you guys to check out, popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye.